How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok app on your mobile device, just like you can see here. Once you open the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On the profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen, and from it, tap on the option named Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the option named Report a Problem and tap on it. On this page, you will find several options that you can use to report issues related to different features of TikTok. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the option named Chat with Us. Tap on it and a chat box will appear where you can directly communicate with the TikTok support team. Make sure you clearly explain the issue you are facing, specifically that the TikTok Shop is not showing in your account. Once you send the message, the support team will review your case and provide you with the necessary solution. Sometimes the shop does not show because it is not yet rolled out in your region, or your account does not meet the eligibility requirements, such as age or account type. Other times, it could be a technical glitch. By reaching out through the official support channel, you increase the chances of resolving the issue quickly. The process is simple and very effective if the shop option is missing on your app. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix TikTok Shop not showing.